Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Bask Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in baskbank.com. It will take you to the official website of Bask Bank, and over here in this interface, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and it will take you to the login portal of Bask Bank. And over here, enter the username of your account, and in the password section, enter the password of your account. To confirm what you typed, click here on the show button and click on remember me if you are using a private computer, but I do not recommend you to do that in the public or shared computer. And once you do that, click on login button. You will be logged into your Bask Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, click here forgot password to reset it. And if you want to create a new account in Bask Bank, click here new to Bask Bank. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.